Welcome to our quick and easy recipe of tasty Gujarati Dal. Serves 4 people. 1 bowl toor dal. 1 tomato. 3 glass water. Add tomato, chili, salt, dal, and add 3 glass water. Close pressure cooker and leave gas on until 5 whistle. Once the dal is cooked, grind it with a grinder. 4 tablespoon oil. Half tablespoon black mustard seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 to 8 curry leaves, bay leaves, green chili, and ginger paste. Half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon achar pickle masala, salt to taste. 4 to 5 kokum. Fresh coriander. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, bay leaves, and jaggery. Then add all spices and coriander. Add 1 glass of water. Add kokum and simmer for 5 minutes. Add tadka in boiled dal. Mix it well. Simmer for 10 minutes. Ready to serve. Enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.